Hey guys, welcome back. मेरे साथ है मिस भोला, श्रुति.
Right, Jojo.
Yes.
Aaj, I have heard from Little Birdie, which is
Hmm.
you only, that we are covering someone we love. We have recently come to love.
That's on the beat. Yes, Mr. Sajil Kapoor. I think that's his.
Ha.
So he has joined forces with Daket and Aniket Raturi for this track.
Okay.
It's called Kala Jadoo. And from what I know, both of them are from Dehradun.
Okay.
Um, Dehradun has a group, I think, of rappers called Team Evolution. I don't know if they're part of it. I could be wrong. I could be right.
Mhm.
But Says on the Beat has his own hip hop collective. It's called The Movement.
Ah, nice.
MUMNT. Yeah. So I think they are from that. And
Oh, and we keep getting so many messages, no, saying, "How are you missing out on the Dehradun movement? Why are you
yeah,
not
yeah,
reacting?" And all that.
that
Right.
we haven't
Yeah.
gotten to it. So when this came in, I was like, okay, we must get to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
It says here that the song captures the raw energy that they feel collectively. It's set against the backdrop of the Dehradun Hills. It sees the trio come together for their first official release from the movement, and it highlights the freedom and celebration of the hip hop lifestyle. Okay,
All right.
interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a representation of the hip hop scene that is coming alive all around us from all corners of India. It's not just bound to two or three cities. Okay. So,
How wonderful. So it's a very collective feeling.
yeah, they're trying to
Nice.
capture what it's about. Let's see what it is like.
Lovely. I'm all cute. Can't
Okay.
wait.
Chalo. One, two, three, play.
Says on the beat, boy.
कला जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं कला जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं लूटू पूरा चैन लूटू ना मैं चेन लुटेरा मैं होते ही अंधेर देहरादून डेरा ए फूकू मैरी जेन थूकू हरिकेन भेजी डेंजरस वो डाले देहरादून डेरा कानू डाका डाका मैं जैसे छापा छापा मारे पुलिस करूँ सीन सीज मैं फटाफट मैंने कुछ ना लिखा था जिंदगी बंद लिफाफा मुझसे अब खून कितने और चाहे ये विधाता मैं थोड़ा पेचीदा मौत मेरी प्रेमिका चूमे जाती वापस फिर दिल से दे निकाल यारों पे बेनिसार दू बरसा तोला तोला चसा बस मैं भोला भोला करता पर मैं देव पताल काला जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं काला जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं सोना सीज मोटा सीन थोड़ा ढीठ तोड़ी लीश साथी असल कैड़ा फील भोला बोला तोला पी था यकीन दिया छीन ये नसीब कोसा नहीं पावे जिनको आपत्ति थी जाके दिया घोड़ा खींच कला जादू करे वुडू सारा चैन बावे लूटू दिक्कत भाई को तो सोतू छोटे सपने तेरे तोड़ू जो है साथ उनका सोचू सटा कैट ड्रेस और टूटू पूरा गैंग गलत फैंग करे क्लैन जैसे वू वू बोल फिर बता क्या सीन है ब्रो बटा का चीज है ब्रो बटा के कीज है सीज है स्ट्रीट चले हम स्पीड पे 100 गेम ना फेर ये नीचे बहुत तू खेलना क्रीज पे ब्रो तेरा विकेट उड़े बड़ा विकेट हूँ मैं खड़ा जैसे ड्राविड हूँ मैं जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं काला जादू करे मुझ पे और मैं करूँ काला जादू खाटी से बजाता जब भी लौंडे सब बेकाबू साथी काला डाकू मैं निशाना साधू सारी बीटी करूँ बाजू फिर दादू नचवा दूं
The movement is here.
Very nice. Very nice. They had a very different flow than otherwise what we're used to. I quite liked it. And dono ki, tino ki actually, alag thi, which is really nice. I couldn't like stop moving at one point. Like it was very catchy like that. Anel, your
It's a-
face is like, I have reservations.
No, I have no reservations. I am just in
Yeah.
awe of Says on the Beat because what does he do? It's just insane. It's just from the second it starts. And the thing is, um, for me, it was the beat.
Yeah.
Number
Yeah.
one, it was the beat.
Yeah.
It just kept me in.
Yeah.
I'm obviously new to both Aniket and Daket, so I was trying to really get what they are and who like who they are and what they're about.
Right. Right.
I really, I mean, both of them have really distinct styles. I could,
Very distinct style. Yeah.
yeah, especially Aniket. I think he came in second. He changed his I
Flow.
don't know, his flow and his
Yeah.
it was just, yeah. Um, I really liked. I really liked. Now,
I was trying to. So I loved the lyrics. You know, the way they were rhyming the lyrics. The
yeah,
lyric scheme was very different. It wasn't the usual end. It was
yeah, it was a very different.
mid sentence. Yeah, it was lovely. It was very nice. So I was trying to
Mhm.
actually go down and see if the lyrics are pinned, because sometimes there are words you want to go back to, which right now, like, there was so much happening. So कुछ होते हैं ना, कुछ lyrics बहुत introspective होते हैं. ये वो नहीं थे. This
Mm.
was very like how you had said earlier,
This
that they
was
are
very
telling
straight.
हम कौन है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
it was very straight. I think what's taking me a little bit by surprise is that their rhyme schemes are very different and their way of
Yeah,
delivering was
yeah.
very different to what we've heard. So what
Nishana
stands out,
Sadhu. I loved that.
yeah, so what stands out to me, one, whenever we hear someone we're new to, and especially when they're from a different city than what we're used to exploring the
Yeah.
music scene of, their way of speaking and their way of their slang even, and their way of
Yeah.
pronouncing things and their way of rhyming is
Yeah.
very, very unique to where they're
Yeah.
from, which I think
Yeah.
is amazing, because
I
then,
love that too.
yeah,
Yeah.
right. So
Right.
the Keth was like, his rhyme schemes are very different for me, and I was like, okay, he's doing um mid sentence
Huh.
end rhymes, of course, are there, but then, and also you're trying to get what they're saying. So all of that combined, I was more like, I had to focus a lot more. Aniket, he killed it, because I just loved his switches. And
Mm.
but for me overall, for this, from this
Aniket
track,
came in last, right?
yeah,
Aniket came in
he
last.
was
Huh.
second.
Correct. Huh.
So for me, in this particular track, I'll have to listen to it more times. But the takeaway is the beat. It just,
I
it's,
loved the beat and the lyrics. Like, iske lyrics were very differently placed. Like, I couldn't get over it. The moment they started only, na, and he said Nishana Sadhu, immediately, like, I was like, wait, what? And then they're talking about their life, their lifestyle, what they do, which was expected, because now, okay, you know how we always do that whenever you listen to someone new, you want to know what their way of thinking is and
yeah,
where they come from.
exactly.
And
Yeah.
that became so clear by the end of it. And then all of them chilling together, and they're talking about, khud ki khamiyan bhi, but then how they have overcome it and what they've done very nicely. I love the energy meter of this song.
Yeah.
The energy is so high strung, but in a very beautiful way.
It
So,
stayed
like,
high. It never dipped. It
yeah,
never.
yeah,
And my
by
thing,
maintaining rhythm.
we've seen now Karma is from Dehradun, right? So
Dehradun, exactly.
he was the only one, I think, that we've heard from
Yeah.
the city. And now I'm seeing these guys, and they are already like their next level. They don't sound like they're um
Novices.
yeah. Also, we are late to the game. They are not. They've been around for that. So I'm just saying, they are like, it's a revelation for me, is all I'm saying.
Tramps and tramps. Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Very good. I'm so glad Movement has released their first song. We're going to look forward to their other songs. And if they've
Yeah.
already put other songs out and you're aware of them, or any underground stuff which you're like, "Arey, lekin unhone kuch release kiya tha," tell us. We want to know more. Tell us about that.
First official release, it says over here, from the
Ah,
movement, but there must be others as well. And
boy.
there's On the Beat, boy, killing it. Love it. So yeah, let us know what else we should get to. And we will see you in the next one. Thank you for recommending this.
Thank you. And while you're at it, like, share, and subscribe. Zaruri hai.
Yes. See you.